I'm Swartz, and I'm the very proud brand ambassador for Strand Hardware. We're in Port Elizabeth today at Strand, and we're with my friend Cal. He's one of the woodwork experts here. Today, we are making a steak cutting board, like the ones that you show around at the Braai. And it's even going to be fancy. It's going to have a little juice gutter running around so you don't spill anything.
Really?
What?
We spoke about the gutter. Get your head out the gutter.
Okay, it's a juice rail. Don't get it, don't get it. That's just the deal. What we've done so far, we've got a beautiful piece of lacquer. We planed it first. Yeah, I didn't realize you had to plane it so much. But what that did show us is like these warps in the wood. But now we've got a nice flat surface to work on. We've got a template for the handle that we've traced out. That little pot over there was actually like where a knot was. You just get all that loose stuff out of there and then
Fold a bit of epoxy.
Yeah.
And then we're going to fill up these little pinholes with some clear and then sand it down. Once we've rounded over everything, we're going to give it a good sand.
Yeah.
And then we are going to be finishing off with ladies work.
Please take a look at our workshop at Cal built, that we've been sponsored by a whole host of sponsors. They're going to be listed underneath just now. Thank you guys, to all of you. And then naturally safety first. Everything that we do here is safety checked. We've got to have earmuffs, the goggles, your mind. Okay, we want more of that crazy dude. First up, we just touched up a little bit of this. We had a couple of holes in it. And yeah, Inco, this is one of their handheld battery operated. It's not a rotisserie, it's an orbital sander. So it doesn't have perfectly circular, it does this. So Cal clearly has made a template. We decided to use it just like that. I want different things on mine. So we've down on our piece of wood, we've marked it nice and dark, and then we've marked where we want to cut it off. Because he knows that I'm not good at this, so he's got to literally colour in the pieces that I'm cutting away. What's next?
We're going to clean up all these edges around here on the bobbin sander, and then we're going to move over to the disc sander just to round over that edge of it.
Doesn't tell me that this hole is just that he can hang it. I'm trying to get this hole in the middle of this thing here. We need to work on our communication.
Well, it's going to be on that line.
Yeah.
That we brought up.
Yeah. What's going to happen here? No rail there. Sweet. Okay, so we've made a frame around where the juice rail, I've got to get used to this. The juice rail is going to go. First time I've used a router, so I'm quite excited, a little bit nervous. Obviously very important when you get around the corners is to actually just roll around the corners so you get a nice smooth edge around there. I've tried once now on a dummy. This is going to be interesting. I've also marked off where the start point is and where the end point is going to be, so that I don't go past there and then end up messing up my gutter. Routing is not for everyone. We found out I made a duff over there when my sticky wood moved, and then I burnt a couple other pieces. But I want to leave the blemish there, just as a gentle reminder of just slow down, let the machine do its thing. I think that's a problem with most weekend warriors, trying to do it too fast. People that have never used a router, when you're going deep, it's little bits at a time, don't try and go too deep too quick.
Sand that, then we'll round over the edges with a router again.
That one I don't mind. It's now time to start smoothing off the rails. And I don't know if you like me, but in my house, Dad will go in there to get in the groove, and Stand Hardware has been bringing these in now. So these are literally different forms that you can use with your paper around it to fit any gap and groove out for $100.
8-piece, various sizes, shapes. It's got a bearing at the bottom, so you can literally start over here and just follow it all the way around.
Yeah, is the fat gutter. It's the juice rail.
Danish oil. We're going to apply it. Don't leave it submerged in the oil.
Yeah.
It's obviously too much for the board you want it to actually soak in. So
Yeah.
we're going to do a bit at a time.
Thin layers.
Yeah.
Repeatedly though.
What we're going to do is we can actually pour a little bit on and then take the rag and just spread it out.
Okay.
Or we can soak the rag in and
Well, let's pour, because then we can check our rail this week.
and you'll see the true colours of the wood come out.
But look at how the blue came out. Oh, it smells good.
Mm.
It doesn't matter if you don't
Remember,
need
you're
keep
going
the
to have to
profile.
focus a little bit more on the ends.
Yeah, I was actually going to put in. Not everybody's meant for routing. Number 2, when routing, the smaller the increments, the better. I think with all things DIY, there's that old rule, measure twice, cut once.
You'll get there.
With this Danish oil,
Yes.
at least a week with food in it. All the stuff flashes off.
Someone wants Karate Kid.
Base on, base off.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my finished product. I've got a resin inlay on a piece of blackwood with a juice rail, and then on the opposite side, no juice rail. That's for bread and stuff like that that it will never be used for, because we do meat where I live. Very interesting day today, learned quite a bit, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stick with us, subscribe, Strand Hardware. Thank you.